With the advancement in technology, the speed and ease at which information moves globally has changed significantly. However, the transfer of money has remained comparatively more cumbersome than the transition from letters to emails. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give you daily updates about XRP. In today's video, you will learn about the prediction of an upcoming Black Swan event by Pena. You will know what a Black Swan event is and how this is related to replacing XRP with Bitcoin, and the possible reasons XRP will replace Bitcoin when the future Black Swan event will come. At the end of the video, we will also tell you about the current price analysis of XRP that indicates that the $1 mark is about to come. So without any further delay, let's start our video. In today's world, cryptocurrency has provided significant improvements in the area of value transfer, but in general, it lacks some levels of compatibility with the traditional money systems. With the use of blockchain technology, Ripple is aiming at acquiring a faster and smoother arena of money transfer. XRP is a cryptocurrency that has the most use cases and is the most adopted one. On one side, financial institutions are adding it to their favorites every day. A Black Swan event is expected, but this one will affect Bitcoin, and it will help XRP to replace the top crypto asset. When you think of Ripple, the one thing that immediately comes to mind is XRP. But it is important to note that Ripple's technology is not completely synonymous with XRP, even though Ripple does harness XRP coin for certain uses within its ecosystem. Now, what is Ripple, and how is it related to XRP? Let's find out. Ripple was originally known as Ripplepay, which was a money transfer platform initiated by a software developer named Ryan Fugger in 2004. Ripple has gone through many transitions and developments over the years, and the people who have played some major roles in this journey include Jed McCaleb, Arthur Brito, and David Schwartz. As far as cryptocurrencies go, Ripple is a microcap option compared to the juggernauts Bitcoin and Ethereum. That said, investors in XRP appear to like the growth trajectory of this smaller cryptocurrency relative to its larger peers. Indeed, any investment grows to a formidable size. Long-term growth prospects tend to decline. Ripple XRP is expected to replace Bitcoin. It all started when the World Economic Forum had said that XRP is a unique cryptocurrency. It is the best option for being the global reserve currency. The energy consumption of cryptocurrencies was the main issue lately. Due to larger energy consumption equal to that of the whole annual consumption of some countries, China has banned Bitcoin mining. This has dropped the value of Bitcoin to an extreme low. Elon Musk also tweeted that they will not be accepting Bitcoin for the car payments of Tesla because of the high energy consumption. He also tweeted that they are looking for a cryptocurrency with less than 1% of energy consumption, which no one considers a right option than XRP. Talking about crypto analysts who are predicting the future of XRP, referring to the coming Black Swan event, we are going to discuss what Pena said. Daniel Pena is a Mexican-American businessman. Just recently on his YouTube channel, in the $1 Trillion Man Response to Bullshit, he indicated that a bigger Black Swan event is coming. This was a highlight from the QLA Castle seminar, September 2020.
I'm announcing today, I'm putting my ass on the line. I'm telling you, there is a Black Swan event coming. A Black Swan event coming.
In this clip, he is warning us about a Black Swan event that is about to happen. He is of the view that Bitcoin is controlled by the Russians. The value of Bitcoin will also go to zero in the near future. There are some cryptocurrencies that have real-time use like XRP, which is now contributing to making this world a more sustainable one by working on reducing the energy consumption of cryptocurrencies. Most of us do not know about the Black Swan events, but they play a very important role in making or destroying the ideas or even countries. As per Investopedia, a Black Swan is an unpredictable event that is beyond what is normally expected of a situation and has potentially severe consequences. Black Swan events are characterized by their extreme rarity, severe impact, and widespread insistence. They are obvious in hindsight. It is so rare that even the possibility that it might occur is unknown. It has a catastrophic impact when it does occur, and is explained in hindsight as if it were actually predictable. How is XRP going to replace Bitcoin? When we take a look at the price analysis of Bitcoin, we see Bitcoin's range-bound action seems to be increasing the confidence of institutional investors looking to resume investing in cryptocurrencies. Proof of this comes as Marshall Wace, a London-based hedge fund, announced plans to invest in the digital asset space, according to sources at the Financial Times. Despite the recent cryptocurrency market crash, investors are still looking for opportunities to buy undervalued cryptos. The investment is definitely a long-term option, but the returns are expected to be massive. For the Ripple company, this is exactly the case. From the SEC lawsuit that hit the core of the company to the crypto market crash that erased more than 70% of the total market cap, it looks like the odds are not in XRP's favor. On the other hand, investors are looking at this as a great buying opportunity. In fact, XRP prices are significantly cheap compared to their all-time high price back in 2017. XRP also has many more advantages over Bitcoin, and the most prominent one is that it allows Ripple to securely and efficiently validate transactions. As transactions come in, the validators update their ledger every 3 to 5 seconds and make sure that they match the other ledgers. In case there is a mismatch, they stop immediately and find out what went wrong. This gives XRP an edge over other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Let's talk about XRP's current price and its future prediction. XRP's price has spent this week consolidating last week's 65% gain while testing the validity of the support. Now, XRP is offered by the psychologically important $1 and the 38% retractment at $1. The consolidation has taken the form of a symmetrical triangle pattern on the intraday chart, the project's bullish outcome for Ripple moving forward. XRP prices surged by 160% from July 20th low to the August 15th high. This is busting the eminent resistance attributed to the inverse head and shoulders neckline. XRP is currently designing a symmetrical triangle continuation pattern between the 38% retractment and the 50% retractment levels. The measured move of the symmetrical triangle is 22% of the descending trend line, forecasting an XRP price target of $2. A test of the measured move target of $2 would overcome resistance at the 61% extension at $1 and place Ripple close to 78.6% retractment at $2. As part of the consolidation, Ripple has released some of the price comparisons generated by the 160% advance. The daily RSI has now fallen out of the overbought territory, creating a space for a new surge in momentum and higher prices. Now, how is XRP currently trading? Ripple's XRP rose by 0.91% on Saturday and partially reversed the 3% fall from Saturday, ending the week down by 4% to $1. At the time of making this video, XRP was up by 0.21% to $1. A mixed start to the day saw Ripple's XRP fall to an early low, $1, before rising to a high of $1.50. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level could cap any upside. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is $1.17 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2 billion USD. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $30 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think about this upcoming Black Swan event, and what impact is it going to play? Share your views in the comments down below, and get people involved in the discussion. Also, like and share our videos within your circle to make it reach out to everyone. If you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and for our daily videos, don't forget to click the bell icon and participate in the giveaway. And thanks for watching. We will come up with new videos, so stay tuned with us, and until then, goodbye and have a nice day.